So over here, you can see that I have a GUI-based application for testing purpose right here, which is about a quiz right here. So I can actually go ahead and interact, and you can see it's a Microsoft Word quiz right here. So now let's say the GUI-based application is okay. So I want the GUI version of this particular app. In that case, you can actually utilize Claude to generate out relevant GUI-based application out of the GUI as well, or you can go ahead and tell it to simply create a GUI applications directly as well. But in our case, I'm going to go ahead and add that particular file. So I'm just going to go around over here onto, let's say, my desktop right here, and then select out that particular programming file right here, which is the quiz. And I'm going to go ahead and say, convert this GUI-based Python code to GUI-based Python code right here, just like this. So it'll read out the code and convert it into a graphical user interface. Or what you can also do is, instead of giving out a source file, you can directly tell it to generate out a GUI-based application as well. Well, let me just go ahead and hit send, and then what it will do is it'll read off this UI-based code right here, and it's reading out the design skill, as you can see right here. It's reading out all of the skill right here, and now it says I will create a beautiful GUI version of this quiz app right here. So you can see that this is what I have. So it's actually creating HTML, but I don't want HTML right here. I want it as Python itself. I don't want it as HTML, but Python based GUI app. So I'm just going to go ahead and correct it out right here and then send it. And as I do that, what happens is that it'll go ahead and recheck. So sometimes what happens is that it will give wrong results. So now what happens is that it'll simply go ahead and then convert it out. So you can see that it doesn't seem to have a dependency right here. So it's simply going to go ahead right here, and then we'll now generate it using Python right here. So TK enter is the plugin it is using right here, just like this. And then you can see that all of it is now being generated. So you can see that this is what you have, and now you simply need to wait for the code to get completed. So let's go ahead and do the same. And now you can see that the code has been generated. So what you can simply do now is you can go ahead and copy out the information right here. And then I'm going to go around over here in VS Code. So let's just go ahead and then go for a new file right here. Or I'm just going to say new text file. And then I'm going to paste out this generated code right here. So now I'm going to go ahead and then run right here. But before that, I need to save the file. So on the desktop, I'm going to say GUI quiz right here, just like this, and save it out. So as I do that, I can go ahead and then run it right here. And this program will run. And now you can see that the program launched out, and this is the GUI version of the quiz right here. So it says Microsoft Word quiz, and it's giving me the guideline right here. I can click on start quiz, and you can see that this is what you have. So you got an interactive quiz right here, just like this. And then you can simply go ahead and click. And this is basically the GUI version of the quiz that I made. So let's just go ahead and select this out right here. Let's just go ahead and select these out right here, and then it gives me the result as well at the end. So this is basically how you can go ahead and create out a fully functional GUI-based application using Claude. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.